easy, 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 slowly. Let's go slowly. Easy does it, easy. And hard.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yay! What's your name? You're scared? That's okay.
You are wrong.
For us, it takes 30 to $40 to stay under the shade, under the umbrella. So we're gonna stay under the sun with Meyer and my sweet Raquel from Chile. And here he is from Peru, the best guy. Beautiful inside and out.
This is for you, baby.
Oh, that's for me?
Yes.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. Thank you, my dear. So this is my bed. Oh my god, I have to apply sunscreen. Yeah, ready for the beach.
Yes, please. I will put here, okay?
Yeah, sure. Oh my god, it's too hot. Okay, so we're going into the beach. Yeah, and paddle with your legs. Am I doing right?
You are doing, yes. Keep going, keep going.
Ah! Okay,
Keep going.
I'm coming.
Strong push.
Okay.
Push the water, push the water.
Like this?
Yes, yes.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Baby.
Oh my god, the water is this much deep. I never been in a water like this.
Yeah, but it's deep. Be
But
careful. Just be careful.
Raquel and Maya are with me. So I'm so glad that I learned to swim today. Hi guys. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Look at her.
Why?
Oh my god, I did it.
You did. You did.
I did it. Yay!
Yes.
I did it, guys. She's
I'm a swimming teacher
yeah, she's my trainer. No, thank you so much. You trained me. No, at least I know how to save myself. Since I didn't go, I thought I'm gonna do snorkeling or scuba diving, but I never know how to swim. But maybe at least today I can save myself. You are my trainer, another trainer. You know the girl over there? She trained me and I learned a little bit how to swim. Like at least maybe I can save myself. Can you save me?
I could.
If anything happened to me, you can. But you're too small. Okay, let's go. So you're gonna teach me how to swim? Yeah? So can you save me if I go inside the water? But you cannot pull me because I'm too big and you're too small. That's what I'm scared because I'm heavier than you. You cannot pull me, right? Can you?
I could.
You can? Alright, okay, let's go together. You finish your candy first.
I'm done.
Okay. There you are, girl. Oh, can you come back? I'm just scared. Can you stand there? No?
No.
You can't.
But it's so fun.
Alright. Oh, look at her. Like how?
Push down.
I'll push down. Now, how do I go? Come out. Like if I have to come out, like I have to swim like this, right?
No.
Not back. Okay, so I have to wave forward.
Just lift your head up.
Oh my god, the little girl is so sweet. People know how to swim and I don't know how to swim. Me, poor girl, but I learned a little bit today. Ow!
Are you taking a picture of my
Yes, this is mermaid.
Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful.
And the compass.
Take a look, Raquel. There you go. What's your name again? I'm sorry.
Aubrey.
Aubrey.
You keep forgetting it.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm not good in, memorizing something. Take your fingers out your mouth, bro.
Bring something inside.
Yeah, so
Stop touching my straws, bro.
you know what? I found her there in the beach. She taught me how to swim, and she said that you are working here, so she's taking me here, for a drink. Very sweet of her.
can dive.
Yeah,
She's really good in the water.
really good.
Good swim? Sure, I've never seen it.
She's really good.
Then is he good?
Thank you. These are the shot. Lemon. We need lemon. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
5 o'clock somewhere.
Oh my god.
Cheers.
Oh, you have a map at the back.
Yes, the world map is right.
Oh yeah. You're a tattoo girl and a swimmer girl. But why swim At least I know how to swim today. Thank you, Raquel.
You're welcome. And to Aubrey, that also helps a lot.
Welcome to Grand Turk.
6 years old and she knows how to swim better than us.
Yes, I know, right? The first and the last Grand Turk. It's beautiful. My first.
For 2 of us.
Yeah, just 2 of us. Oh yes, Raquel.
It was nice to meet you,
It
Kipz.
was nice to meet you too.
Kipz is
From Chile. Yes.
Then you just flip it up and over, okay? There you go. I didn't say swat it, girl. Don't swat it. So as I said, I'm giving away 3 beers. All you got to do is cover the beer with the cup and it's yours. Don't swat it so hard, girl. She swatted the heck out of that cup, boy. Easy does it, easy does it, easy, 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 slowly. Let's go, slowly, easy does it, easy. And hard again, let's go. See, as I said, all you got to do is cover the beer and it's yours. Giving you a chance to win something. Who's next, who's next? She has a plan.
Oreo shake and some whipped cream on the top.
Check.
Two straws.
So close, but so.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Now we are heading back to the ship where we belong. A day was spent in the Turk Island. Grand Turk is an island which is located in Atlantic Ocean. It is the world renowned for scuba diving and also beaches with a clear water. And that is our ship, the Caribbean Princess, and we are ready for the next destination.